Right, so tonight I'm at a family birthday party and I was stood in the kitchen like 5 minutes ago drinking a cup of tea, watching the sun go down out of the window and just seeing all this colour appear in the sky. Now, I've got my Fuji X100 with me because it's my daily carry, and I was just like, surely I'm not going to bail to go and take photos. And I was like, who am I kidding? Of course I am. I'd say we've got about 10 minutes of light at most, so speed photography vlog, let's go. Alright, so this is basically worst case scenario. I was hoping the tide would be in, even a bit, but it's not. Very far away. Looks like we're running then. This could be pretty cool. Alright, let's see if there's enough time just to grab a few little bits from up in the sand dunes. What a beautiful night though. Ooh. Those colours, man. Chef's kiss. Alright, so I've been gone about 10 minutes and I've just been shooting from the hip. Speed photography. I don't even know how these photos look. Literally just like taking photos. Should probably head back. Oh. Made it back. Cup of tea still warm. Nice.